Microsoft Copilot Cowork tutorial for beginners. Now, Microsoft released something called Cowork as part of the Copilot ecosystem. And most people who have access to it through their Microsoft 365 subscription have not opened it yet. Now, that is partly because the name doesn't really tell you how big of a feature it is and how much it actually helps. Specifically because Microsoft's AI product lineup has become complex enough that it is hard to know where each tool is and where it ends and where another begins. Now, Cowork is worth understanding. It is literally Microsoft's answer to the question of how AI should work alongside you on complex, multi-step tasks rather than just answering single questions. So if you have used Copilot in Word or Excel and found it useful for individual tasks, Cowork extends that into longer workflows. Now this video is the complete beginner's tutorial. Microsoft Copilot Cowork is quite literally a collaborative AI workspace within the actual Microsoft ecosystem. Okay, now basically what happens is Copilot is going to extend on tasks that span multiple steps, multiple documents, and multiple Microsoft 365 applications. Where Copilot in Word handles the individual documents and tasks, and Copilot in Excel handles spreadsheet level analysis. Cowork is going to handle workflows that connect across those tools, like researching a topic, drafting a document, building supporting data, preparing a presentation, and organizing everything into one structured workspace. So think of Cowork as the project level layer of Copilot rather than the document level layer. It is quite literally designed for tasks that take hours rather than minutes, and for work that involves multiple outputs rather than a single deliverable. Access it through the Microsoft 365 apps interface or through the dedicated Cowork entry points in your very own Copilot menu as well. Now, of course, you do need the upper plan for this. You cannot use Cowork on the free plan, but as you can see, it is literally integrated in every section of your working. Okay, and of course, using it is pretty straightforward. Is you can log into your Microsoft 365 account, and what's going to happen here is Cowork is going to appear as so. So the grid of 9 dots up here or in any interface are going to give you Cowork. Now, when you open Cowork for the first time, you will see a workspace interface. Okay, a clean, organized environment that looks similar to a project management tool that you can pretty much work with. Okay, it's going to look something like this. Now, the Copilot AI is present throughout the interface and available to help at every step without you having to explicitly prompt it each time. So what you can do is you can pretty much go ahead and start off a new project for yourself and work along with it. Now, the description you give here shapes how Copilot organizes the workspace and what it suggests as the next step. Now, an example description for a business context is, something like, I need to research the competitive landscape for our new product launch, draft an executive summary of the findings, and create a presentation for the leadership team. Now, Cowork processes this description and breaks it into structured phases. So there's the research phase, there's the drafting phase, there's the presentation phase, and of course with suggested steps for each of them. Now, this automatic task breakdown is one of Cowork's most useful features. So rather than you having to plan the whole workflow, Copilot suggests a local sequence that you pretty much adjust it to and match what you actually need. So add steps that are missing, remove steps that do not apply, and reorder anything that doesn't match your entire workflow. Now, the resulting plan becomes the structure for your project. Now, with your project structured, work through each step with Copilot as your collaborative partner. Click into the first step, like let's say the research phase. Okay. And you can ask it to search for information using Bing, summarize different documents you upload, pull data from sources that you specify, or generate a research outline that you can fill in yourself. Now, the key difference between Cowork and using Copilot in a single app is the continuity. Now, when you finish the research step and move to the drafting step, Cowork is going to carry the context from research forward. Now, Copilot already knows what the research found and uses that inform to tell the draft that it helps you write. You don't have to re-explain the context or paste any information from one step into the next. This cross-step context is particularly valuable for knowledge work where early stage information directly shapes later stage outputs. Now, the research shapes the draft and the draft shapes the presentation. Each phase builds previous one, and Cowork is going to maintain that thread throughout the project. Now, Cowork is also going to be going ahead and integrating with literally everything in the Microsoft 365 suite. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, and even more, allowing you to create and edit different types of documents as you go on. Now, when drafting step calls for a Word document, Copilot is going to create it within the Cowork project and opens a Word-compatible editor. Now, when the analysis step needs a spreadsheet, it opens Excel-compatible environment. When presentation step requires PowerPoint slides, Copilot generates a draft presentation based on the content developed in earlier steps. Now, all of these outputs are saved together within the Cowork project, organized in the sequence they were created in, and when the project is to complete, you have all deliverables in one organized workspace rather than scattered across different apps and folders. Now, Cowork supports collaboration. You can add team members to a project and work on it together with Copilot assisting the whole feature. Now, the most common mistakes beginners make with using Cowork is using it for tasks that are quite too simple. Cowork is going to add value on complex multi-step projects, and if your task is writing a single email or creating one chart, you are better served by Copilot directly in Outlook or Excel. So save Cowork for projects that genuinely span multiple steps and multiple types of output. The second mistake is not spending time on the initial project description. So Microsoft Copilot Cowork represents a meaningful step forward in how AI assists with complex work, not just individual tasks, but multi-step projects that produce multiple connected outputs. For Microsoft 365 users, we have proper presentations, and this is the whole Copilot Cowork suite. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.